What's going on, beautiful people?
Welcome back to our channel.
So today, as you guys can see by the title, we'll be doing a video on how to escape a zip tie. We got inspired by a video that we saw online of a little girl escaping a zip tie. We thought this would be very important to share, just in case you were ever placed in this situation. So, we're about to try it for our first time. We've seen the video. Let's just see how hard it really is to escape a zip tie. You never know if you were ever to be placed in a situation like this. We hope no one's ever placed in a situation like this. Kidnapping is a very serious thing. It's a very scary thing, but it does happen. It is not fake. Things like that do happen in this world, and in what better way than to show or share this video with you guys on how to escape a zip tie.
Yeah. And in no way we are experts in kidnapping, so we're just doing this video of that little girl that we thought that was cool, how she was able to escape the zip tie like nothing. So we're gonna see if we're able to do it as easy as she was. It seemed like she did it. So
we're gonna each try it individually. Well, Jen will go first. We'll put a timer up just to see how long it takes her to escape, and then I'll go second and put a timer up to see how quick it is for me to escape and to see if it even works, you know?
Yeah.
But are you ready, Ben?
Yeah.
Alright. So we are about to begin. Okay, we got the zip ties here.
Hey, sorry.
As you guys know, when you're tied up with the zip tie, if you guys ever had your arms tied up with the zip tie, it is very tight. It's tight and it's kind of painful because it's thin, and the pressure on your wrist is, yeah, it's never comfortable to have that. So, and zip ties, if you guys know, once you like lock it in, it's locked in. It is not coming out. The only way to or that we all know how to take it out is by cutting it off. So, here we go. Escaping zip tie attempt. All that, Jen. Alright. And I'm gonna do it pretty tight. Just because, you know, obviously if someone zip ties you and is really trying to kidnap you, they are not about to be nice. And are you able to? Is it pretty tight?
Kind of
Try to take your hands out. No? Like show the camera. See how tight that is? Wait, I could probably do it tighter. Just a little bit. There.
Yeah, so it's pretty tight. It's like hurting me. So
yeah,
let's see how I can get. So Cristian is gonna start the timer and he's gonna say when to start.
Ready, set, go. So as you can see, she's untying her shoelace, and she's gonna use her shoelaces to rip through the zip tie. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna pass her shoelace through the zip tie from one of her shoes. I don't know if you guys can see. It's good to know this because, and to practice it at home, so you can be quick and fast on doing this. Ven, mami. Mira. Ven aquí. Mira, ven aquí. Así. Así. Mira, espérate, mira. So she crossed the shoelace already through the zip tie from her left shoe. So now what she's gonna do is tie.
Can you grab her?
So now what she's gonna do is tie one shoelace to the other shoelace of the other shoe. Oh, baby, you got this. You gotta escape. So she got the shoelace through the zip tie already. Now what she's gonna do here is tie the shoelace together from the two shoes.
It hurts. Ow.
So another little pointer, use the shoelace on the inside of your feet so you can connect them both. Okay, mommy? Say hi, Ma.
Hi.
Te deja tu mami, se está escapando. She is at 1 minute and 40 seconds right now.
Papi.
Yes? Yes. Alright, so now she tied them both together. She's gonna. Yeah, but try to get it in the middle or there. And she's gonna rock her feet back and forth. The shoelaces back and forth to try to rip through. But you gotta apply pressure, babe.
I am. It hurts.
Yeah, so go like that back and forth. Rock your shoelaces. Wait, not the knotted part. Try not to get that part in it. Right there, like that. Apply pressure. Oh. Oh! She did it. And it's at 2 minutes, 19 seconds.
Dude, it hurts. Look at my wrist. Look at that.
So 2 minutes, 19 seconds.
Oh, that was painful.
Good job, babe. You escaped.
Now let me.
But now the thing about that is, to run away, it's gonna be hard because you got your shoelaces stuck together.
So the shoelaces are super tight. You might just have to take off your shoes, to be honest.
And just book it. Just get
Yeah, because it's like super tight. Like it's difficult to take it off.
Okay.
Let me take off my shoes and show you guys.
So how did that feel on your wrist, man?
Dude, it hurt.
Like, oh my goodness, look at that.
Like,
Wow.
Mommy.
I'm sorry, babe. Like,
Mommy.
you guys can see like how tight that is. So I think you guys might just have to take off your shoes if you guys were to ever be in this situation and just run.
Run for your lives.
Yeah, because this is like too tight.
So it was at, I think, yeah, so it took her like 2 minutes and I forgot the time that I said. We'll have the timer on the screen. But yeah, that was pretty impressive. This is our first time doing this, guys. So Camila's eating some cookies over here.
She's making a mess.
I want to try.
Alright, so Cristian's gonna try now. I have to take off my shoes because the shoelaces are.
I'm gonna try to do it as quick as I can because, you know, obviously when you're in a situation like this, you ain't got time. The kidnapper ain't gonna be like, let's wait till you get your thing going on.
Yeah.
So you gotta be super fast. And mind you, like, you might not be in a spot where you can do or have, you know, to be able to do this. So this is just one example or whatever of how to be able to do it.
And we'll put some links below of like different ways to escape.
In different ways, different videos. Alright guys, so my attempt. Do it tight, babe. Just
I know.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, you said tight.
Is that tight?
Yeah, but
or more?
No, that's tight. But I'm just not gonna be able to cut this. Just scoot it over.
Well, tell me.
No, that's fine. I got it. Alright. So
Christian.
This is like really tight on me. Oh, and I got double knots on my shoes. This is gonna take me longer.
Alright. So I'm gonna start the timer. And then he'll go.
So as you can see, it's like super. It's like really, really, really tight. Look at it.
Yeah, mine was tight too. It hurt.
Give me like makes. I'm not
getting. It gives you anxiety. I know that's how I felt too, dude.
Like I just want to break through this.
Alright. I'm gonna start the timer. Ready? Go.
Alright, so I'm gonna untie my shoes. I'm gonna run a shoelace through the.
That was hard for me. It seems easy, but it's not hard, especially because it was super tight.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to actually get this through. So, I almost got it.
You got it, babe. Come on, babe. You got it. Camila has crumbs all over the couch, and I brought the vacuum, and she's throwing them in there. You're so silly, mommy. Te amo.
Alright, I got this side through. Now I just need to tie it together.
For me, it was harder because since I have long fingers, like to get the shoelace in, it was hard.
And to me it's harder because I got short fingers.
Alright, so we're at 1 minute and 14 seconds.
Alright, so tying my shoelaces together now. It's kind of hard just because all that pressure on your wrist. But you gotta make sure you tighten it super hard too.
Yeah, and like, even though we're just doing it like to like see if it works, like I still felt like anxiety. Now imagine if you're kidnapped, how desperate you feel. That's crazy.
Okay. Mommy, coffee.
Oh, it's not tight enough.
Coffee. My coffee.
We're at 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Coffee. Me. Mash. 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 Mommy. Mash.
2 minutes.
Because it's not.
Oh! Crazy.
That hurt. What was the time to
2
stop?
minutes and 17 seconds.
So, I broke through at 2 minutes 17. I think that's the exact time you did too.
Did I?
Might have been. But as you guys can see, look how tight that is, bro. But hey, it's better to get a little pain on your wrist than being stuck there.
Yeah.
So now I gotta untie these things. But this is a very dope thing to know, guys. You never know when you'll be placed in a situation like this. We hope no one ever gets placed in a situation like this. But it doesn't hurt to know more things, you know. So that's just one of many ways. I'm sure there's like a million ways to escape those. But I just thought this one was a good one to share just because it's one, I don't know, I wouldn't say the simplest one to do, but it was just pretty cool.
Yeah, how the little girl, she did it like nothing. I'm like, oh my gosh, she makes it look so easy.
Yeah, so,
So we wanted to try it for ourselves and we wanted to share with you guys.
Yep. So now we just gotta untie it. But yeah, that's one way to escape a zip tie. You guys should practice this at home. Maybe teach your kids.
Yes.
You never know. You know, things happen. We live in a crazy world nowadays, and you never know.
Guys, but on a serious note, like if you guys were to do this, seriously, just take off your shoes and run, because like there's no way you're gonna untie the shoelaces after you break the zip tie.
Yeah, you ain't got time for none of that.
Like seriously, this is like super tight. I can't undo them.
Yeah, because it ties up when you tug on it. So yeah, guys, that's one way to escape a zip tie. Monday. A ver, tengo que desamarrarlo, okay? So, yeah, guys, we just want to say, well, thank you guys for watching. Share this video like everywhere, make it go all over the place. We just, you know, we thought it's a cool thing to share. And diles hi, diles hola. So yeah, guys, you guys gotta hit that like, comment, share button. Make sure you guys share this everywhere. I think it'll be good for people to see this video.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was just a little video for you guys. You got anything else for them, babe?
I think.
This is gonna take forever.
Guys, so we're at 8,000 subscribers now. So if we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna be doing a major giveaway.
Major giveaway. We can't say what until we hit that 8K. 10K. Sorry.
Yeah, we're at 8K right
we're
now.
At 8,000.
I'm literally just undid my shoelaces. That's crazy.
But yeah, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, share this video with your friends, family, everybody.
Yeah. Also, let us know what videos you guys would like to see next.
Yep, we're always going to try out new things and videos and stuff like that. So, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate your guys' support. We love watching you guys' comments on there. We love your feedback. We love everything. We love all of you. Thank you guys for all these subscribers, for the 8K. Thanks for those who's been there since like the ground up.
Yes.
And we will never forget you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to remind yourself every day and say,
I am beautiful. We
Peace
love
out,
you guys.
everybody. Say bye, Ma. Bye.
Bye. Dee, I love you. Dee, we love you.
Dale besos. Peace out, guys. Siempre dicen que you got your own?
Yeah.